Hello everyone, it's Miss Hake and we're back with some numeracy. We're talking all about opposites this week. And so some words that are opposite and some characteristics that are opposite. So we have a really cool trace and color activity where you're going to trace and read the word and then color which picture matches the word. So can you see this first word? B-ig. B-ig, b-ig, big. Yeah. And then which picture am I going to color? Which one's big? Is it the elephant or the bird? Did you say elephant? Amazing. So you're going to get your pencil and your crayons ready, and you're going to trace the word big down, around, around. And then I'm going to color my elephant very carefully. What colors are elephants usually? Do you remember? Did you say gray? My elephant's going to be gray. So you're going to take your time and you're going to do your little activity, practicing reading your words. So if elephant was big, what would be the opposite of big? Did you say small? There's the next word, big and small. Slow, and what's the opposite of slow? Fast, tall, and short. There we go. We have 3 opposites. All right, have lots of fun and take your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.